All right. I wanted to show off some of the features that you don't really talk about a lot because it doesn't really have to do with production, but it does have to do with the speed to get development done. So that would be the help menu. Um, Alchemy has a report a bug feature, which is awesome. When I report a bug, or when I encounter something, and today I've been working on it, and there's a bunch of stuff that I've got on this list that I want to get into Jira. So I'm going to hit report a bug, and I'm just going to put pipeline for my department, and software I'm going to put, let's see, just Alchemy. Summary is, let's see, change company config location. And then what I'm going to do is show off this screen grab feature. So I'm just going to go to where so this is where all this stuff is for Alchemy. And we want to put all of the config. Like some of the config is living within Alchemy right now, and I want to make it so that all of the config files for an entire company live in here, not just the project MSD. So I'll put, I'm going to put the path to this in here, and I'm also going to, let's see, how do just to show this off, I'm going to stick that like that, and all right. This is actually a feature that's not a bug. So the next one we're going to do, we'll show off the report a feature so that you can kind of see how all of this works when it finally gets to Jira. And this is how we will see it if any of you ever encounter a bug or a feature request that you'd like. And I'm going to hit submit. It'll submit a bug report, and that's going to go off into Jira. So let's do another one. Okay, we're going to try requesting a feature. We'll just click this request a feature button. And I know what I want is right on that icon right there. All right, we'll put this stuff in pipeline, and it is magic browser, and then add, right click, go to config from company button. And we'll hit submit. Fingers crossed that that goes great, which it did. And now let's refresh in here. And this is cool. So our feature requests are indicated by a new feature of test type new feature, bugs or bugs. And this helps us to do our planning at CG Lumberjack to help figure out what you guys need. So this is how I would recommend every pipeline department operate. Just have your nice little GUI like that, have it submitting stuff directly to a Kanban board, which is not a Scrum board. The Kanban board will just have a big old thing of stuff to do. And typically what we're going to want to do is you could have, if you have a service department in your company, you could have it, that department working on this. Otherwise, you're going to use this to move these into Scrum so that your pipeline department can then work on them. And that is easy. If you give this to the folks in the departments, they should be able to use this, and your developers should be able to keep developing. And that is how we submit bugs and feature requests in the ideal world.